Class 9th Chemistry Chapter 4 Structure of the Atoms. Charged particles in matter. Before 1900, it was considered that the atoms are indivisible, but soon J. J. Thomson discovered an electron. In 1886, Goldstein discovered canal rays, which led to discovery of proton. Structure of atoms. Mainly, there are three models available. Three models of atoms available to look at. First, Thomson's model of atom. Second, Rutherford's model of atoms, and third, Bohr's model of atom. Let's start by Thomson's model of atom. Atoms are made up of positive particles and negative particles are plucked in it, just like the seeds of watermelon are plucked in watermelon. The magnitude of positive particles is equal to magnitude of negative particles. However, it proved that the atom is stable, but more complex questions were asked, and this model was unable to provide any answer to that. Rutherford's model of atom. This model of atom is mainly based on cathode ray experiment. In this experiment, some of the cathode rays were projected on a sheet of gold and their results were noted down. In the result, most of the cathode rays were just sent and they traveled in a straight line without any distraction from their path, and some of them were distracted, but one in every 12,000 rays returned on the same path in which they were sent. This concluded that there is a dense positive particle at the center. It has some mass and it is called nucleus. And this also concluded that electrons revolved around nucleus and most of atom is empty. But this model of atom was not able to prove stability of atoms. Bohr's model of atom. This model of atom states that only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits are of electron are allowed inside an atom, and all electrons revolve in these orbits, and while revolving here, atoms don't radiate energy. There are four orbits named S, P, D, F. S is capable of taking 2 electrons, P is capable of taking 8 electrons, and D is able of containing 18 electrons, but it can contain more than 8 electrons only when F has 2 electrons in it. Neutron. It is a neutral particle. Its mass is equal to 1.675 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. It is present in nucleus with proton. Isotopes versus isobars. Isotopes. The substances who have a same atomic number but different atomic mass are known as isotopes. They have same place on periodic table. Isobar. Isobars have same atomic mass but different atomic number. These have different places on periodic table. Valency. Electrons present in outermost shell of an atom is known as valence electron. If atom has greater than or equal to 3 electrons in outermost shell, it loses all the electrons to the complete octet. If it has 4 electrons, there is a process known as electron sharing. It uses that to become stable, and if it has greater than or equal to 5 electrons, it gains the remaining electrons which are needed to be stable. Thank you. That's all for this audio.